Hello viewers, you are in Stocks in Silence. We are going to see the stocks news and global cues and how the market going to be behave on Monday. Welcome to our channel Stocks in Silence. First, let us see the Nifty. Last Friday, it gains 1.18%, closed at 17,670. Sensex 1.21% gain, closed at 59,276. And Bank Nifty 2.13% gain, closed at 37,148. The India VIX down from 20.8 minus 2.12% down, it closed at 18.4. When we see the US market on Friday, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq all were closed in green. After a long time, the FIA became a net buyers. They bought 1,909 crores in last Friday. At the same time, domestic investors become a net sellers. They sold 183.79 crores on Friday. We'll see the stocks news and global cues. First, RBI Monetary Policy Committee will begin their 3-day meeting on April 6th and conclude on April 8th. Experts largely feel the rate hike is very much unlikely, though most of the central banks globally hiked interest rates. Geopolitical crisis. The second news, the UK Ministry of Defense said the Russian air activity has increased over southeastern Ukraine in the past week as invading forces shift their efforts to that part of the country. So still the war is continues at Ukraine. Peace talks between Ukraine and Russia in Turkey seems to be showing some progress. So experts already indicated that the worst related to the Ukraine crisis is already discounted by the market. So there may not be the further down in the market, it is already discounted. The cooling down oil prices caused rally in the passing week, hence the market participants will closely watch price movement as if the price fall further, that is less than $100 per barrel, so the market may rise. FII have net bought rupees 5,590 crore worth of shares on the week basis. After several weeks, they had net sold shares worth more than 2.3 lakh crores since October 2021. It will be important to see how FII will behave in financial 23 after relentless selling in the second half financial 22. So this is very important how they are going to behave in the upcoming weeks, that we have to see and watch. It will impact in the market. On the macro front, all eyes will be on S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and S&P Global Service and Composite PMI data for the month of March, which will be released on Monday and Wednesday respectively. So the coming week, Monday and Wednesday, will be the close watch on the market. Based on the PMI data, the market may move upside or downside. Again, the global cues continues. The Federal Open Market Committee on Wednesday will release the minutes from its March meeting. Experts feels the Federal Reserve is likely to provide more details about further policy tightening to fight inflation worries. In March, the Fed raised interest rates for the first time since 2018. This is everyone is aware. So this data is very much important to watch. Now we'll come back to the stocks news quickly. Adani Wilmer hits fresh lifetime high. Stock zooms 30% in 1 week. India glycols surges 16% in 3 days to commission new unit by May 15th. The Hari Om Pipe IPO subscribed 1.9 times on day 2 on heavy retail interest. Petrol diesel rates up by 80 paise per liter again. This is the 11th hike in last 13 days. Tata Group's super app New arriving on April 7th to take on Amazon and Jio. Maruti Suzuki India aims to sell 4 to 6 lakh CNG units in the current fiscal year. Hindustan Aeronautics sees records of 24,000 crore revenue in financial 2022. Whistleblower files complaints against Invesco Mutual Fund. Brookfield and Bharti enter into real estate joint venture with rupees 5,000 crore deal. Bharti Airtel and Tech Mahindra on Thursday signed a partnership to co-develop and market 5G use cases in India with the objective of accelerating the country's digital economy. Sansera has bagged orders for 2 packages consisting of 26 aluminum forged and machined parts from BMW. This worth rupees 300 crores over 10 years. This is regarding the status of IPO which came in financial 22. Some IPO performed very well and some of the IPO made very big disappointments to the investors and they came up with mega offering. Let us see one by one what are the best performance. First, Paras Defense, they got 3.7 times higher still. Barbecue Nation 2.6 times high as of now. Macrotech Developers 2.4 times high. Adani Wilmer recently listed, that is 2.4 times high compared to the listed value. Then Sona BLW 2.3 times high. Come back to the IPO which made disappointments to the investors. The first one is Paytm minus 73%, Car Trade minus 62%, Fino Payments minus 53%, Windlass Biotech minus 51%, and Krishna Diagnostics minus 45%. This IPO came with a mega offering, that means the Paytm 18,300 crore the size, Zomato again 9,375 crore, Power Grid 735 crores, and Star Health 6,401, Policy Bazaar 5,710 crore. These all called as a mega IPO, but unfortunately those are all less performed. The news on mutual fund scorecard. Globally they are making the scorecard for the expense ratio for the mutual fund, that is how much expense goes for the mutual fund in each country. Comparatively they are given the average to the Indian mutual funds. Let us see one by one quickly based on the scorecard. The top goes to the Australia, Netherlands and United States. What we are understanding from here is the expense ratio for the mutual fund in Australia, Netherlands and United States are very high. Above average South Korea, Norway, South Africa and Sweden and UK. Average Belgium, Denmark, Germany, India, Japan, Thailand. Below average Canada, China, France, Hong Kong. Bottom is Italy and Taiwan. So still the mutual fund maintenance cost in India is average. The interesting news on real estate. Here you are seeing that city wise and quarter wise. The city like Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, MMR and NCR in first quarter, second quarter and the last quarter. Surprisingly, in the last quarter the selling of houses in the mega cities are more. This is very much high when compared to the 2015. So this looks like that the realty sectors may boom in the upcoming years. And Tech Mahindra on Thursday signed a partnership to code. We'll see quickly the support and resistance level for Nifty for coming trading session on Monday. The Nifty support would be 17,500 and resistance would be 17,770. Bank Nifty, the support would be 36,520, the resistance will be 37,490. Based on the open interest, the maximum call has been written in 18,000, so that will be the resistance for the Nifty. At the same time, the maximum put has been written in 17,500. So in the coming week, the expiry would be 17,500 to 18,000 for Nifty. Now we'll see the Nifty based on the technical analysis. In day chart, it has formed a bullish candle, that is a supporting based on the technical. Secondly, the India VIX is fell from 21.3 percentage to 18.44. That's a good sign. It shows more buyers are interested to enter in the market, and based on the open interest and option data, the 17,500 and 18,000 would be the range for upcoming years. But the overall month, it looks like that 17,300 to 18,000 will be the range of market moving. That's all, viewers. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Good day.